created this space for you guys. Okay, I'm not really. I'm hoping to get. I'm hoping to learn, no doubt. I'm hoping to learn from you people, because if I can teach you a few things of what I know and you can teach me a few things of what you know, that's what the Guild is all about. Hey, I'm Jim from the Side Hustle Shuffle, and I've been on YouTube for about 7 years. And about 3 years ago, I got into the Amazon Influencer Program. Excellent program. If you're not into it yet, check it out. I got a lot of videos on how to get in and what to do. But what I'm here today for is, at the beginning, it was pretty lonely. I didn't know what I was doing, and it was hard to get answers. Of course, there's Facebook groups and there's forums and there's all kinds of stuff, and there's all kinds of people giving advice. It's iffy whether you're getting good advice or bad advice. It's hard to know. So I really wish that there was a place I could go, that I could consult with people, get to know people, make friendships, right? Work together to get through the humps of this program. The program is always changing. They're always doing stuff to tweak it. They're always messing with us, right? They're taking away carousels. They're taking away views. They're doing all kinds of stuff, right? They're adding the Inspire tab, and they're making incentives to drive us to go crazy in directions we really don't want to go in, but they want us to go in. So we go in it anyway, and we make some extra money doing the incentives. But what I wish I would have been in place was a little meeting place. And now with virtual reality and AI, there's really no excuse not to have a virtual meeting room, right? And I had this vision of it being a union hall, or like I'm calling it the Guild, the Amazon Creators Guild, because that's what we are. We're Amazon creators, whether we're associates or influencers, or or even KDP people, and everybody, merch on demand. We're all creators on Amazon, right? So we're going to have meetings once or twice a week. We're going to have workshops. We're going to have guest speakers. We're going to have a lot of stuff. It's called Creator-Zon, and I built it with a software called Go Brunch. It's a virtual office space. Okay, really cool stuff. You're going to love it. Check it out. I got the software for free to review, so I'm reviewing it. We're trying to check it out, and right now everything is free. All right. I'm not trying to monetize it, or I'm collecting emails so as I can let you know when meetings are, when workshops are, and who's going to be the special guests and stuff like that. But I probably, who can make promises? But I'm not planning on monetizing that email list and harassing you with products. Okay, I might tell you what's going on, and I might show you some new tools, but I'm not going to harass you. My goal is for this to be a place where, we pay it forward. People with a little experience come and hang out, right? And talk to the people who are new. And face to face, in real time. It's going to be great. If you have any questions, you can PM me. I'm not hiding. I'm here. There's nothing fishy about it. My goal is to build a community. My goal is to have a place to go where we can hang out and learn from each other. Who knows, someday we may even have some big virtual event, some big conference. I've been to 2 in-person conferences, and the best thing that I've ever done was go to those conferences. Virtual conference would be the next best thing. So the link will be down at the bottom. Put your email in, and I'll send you the link to Creator-Zon, the lobby. Okay, there's going to be a lobby. You go into the lobby, you're going to pick a seat. There'll be little circles. They'll tell you to pick a seat. You pick a seat. You turn your mic on. You turn your camera on. Hopefully, there'll be other people there. All right. Sundays, 9 o'clock. Tuesdays, 8 o'clock. For sure, I'll be there. I'll try and stop in at 9 o'clock almost every weeknight just to see who's hanging out. I may not turn my mic on, but I'll pop in and see, maybe talk in the chat. There's a collab room. You can go into the collab room. You can share your screen. You can share videos. You can share files. It's crazy. You guys can talk to each other in real time, and it's always open. You don't have to wait till I'm telling you 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock. You can go there anytime. You can say, hey, Charlie, meet me in the collab room at 8 o'clock on Tuesday. I want to show you my video, and you can do that. Okay, I've created this space for you guys. Okay, I'm not really. I'm hoping to learn, no doubt. I'm hoping to learn from you people, because my offsite traffic, it has a lot to be desired. And if I can teach you a few things of what I know, and you can teach me a few things of what you know, that's what the Guild is all about. I really hope to see you in the Guild. I hope to get to know you, and I hope for your success in the Amazon program.